Hello everyone, I just updated my system and suddenly my Noctalia looked different. And apparently there was a big update, so let's just check it out. Okay, so there seems to be a Noctalia V5 in early alpha. It seems like I just pulled that by accident. So on their page there is this new documentation for the V5 alpha with a lot of new topics or overhaul topics, but I tend to not read the manual, so let's just jump into it and see what we can do. So first of all, my top bar looks very different. It's smaller, it has more gaps to the left, and let's just change that. The drop-down also is very different, but really cool. I love the design. I do not like the colors so much, but we can change that. The settings is now an actual window and not the drop-down anymore. Okay, appearance. And there are the color palettes already. Since all the AI is just producing this vaporwave kind of style that I normally use, I want to get away from that. So I was thinking of getting more a greenish style, and the Kanagawa color set is just exactly what I want. So I'm taking this. The UI seems a little small, 130, 135. Okay. I always feel like the round corners look like a tablet or like an iOS or something. So I'm going not round at all. We want to colorize the app icons. Does that look weird, the Wi-Fi up there? It kind of looks font family. I have my favorite font, Hermit Nerd Font Mono. Let's look at the change. It's always so nice if you put that in. Yes. Do I want the mono font or the normal one? It doesn't seem to change much. So then animations. So the animations, I think they're fast. Wait, I'm just going to open something. Okay, I don't like that. I need the colored icons back. Where was that? Colored app icons. And now? Okay, that's much better. Let's just open Kitty and see the animations. I'm not sure which animations this affects, but let's keep it that way. Shadow animations. Where are the shadows? I do not see. There is a little shadow. I think down is fine. Okay, I quickly found some wallpapers. Let's just give it a try. Select this folder. It's just a directory, I guess. I haven't selected any because it still looks very gray. We'll see. Okay, monitors. I'm gonna stay like that. Animations. That's all fine. Templates. Toggle bundled app templates to render on each theme change. For NeoVim and Obsidian. That's wild. Yazi. Steam as well. Do I need to rebuild or something for that? No, it just works. Look at this. Wonderful. In Kitty you can even display them. Wonderful. Desktop. Show widgets on desktop. Dock are the things on the bottom. I don't need the dock at all. So let's go panels. Panel glass styles, including floating centered panel opacity. So what does this do? What are the panels? I thought the panels are these things, but it's not really transparent, right? Launcher. Centered? Floating. What is floating? Oh, okay. Up there. Oh, this now is transparent. I don't like that. It makes it harder to read because you can see the text in the background. We had it solid. That is solid. We had it soft. It's a little transparent and glass. No, I'll keep it solid. What is attached? Coming down from the... Ooh, that looks good. I like it. Floating is just... on top, and centered is centered. So I like it attached. Open near click. Where do I click? What does this do? Position the launcher panel near the bar click. Do I ever use that? No, I don't need that. Show app icons? Yes. Compact rows. Let's test that. Before compact rows. It's a little small, but I don't have that many applications, so I prefer it this way. Enable session search. Include session actions. Log suspend. Oh, that's cool. Wait, can I just enable this and then shut down? Oh, clipboard. This is the clipboard, I guess. Centered. I'm also going attached. Same style as this one for the clipboard. Nice. Open near click. No, I don't want that. Then session. The session is, I think that's this one, right? Yeah, that's nice. Keep it the same way. Notifications. Well, can I trigger notifications? I need to notify. No, what? I used to have something like this installed, but I guess I don't. Alright, it was notify send, I think. Test this. So I'm going to install libnotify and send a notify send message. And there it is. It looks wonderful. Honestly, really cool. I think I'm keeping it just as it was because it looked great. No criticism at all. OSD. What even is OSD? What is OSD? I have no idea. Shell. Let's go back to this. Don't have any images there, so I don't mind. Launch apps as systemd services. No. Screenshot files. That's all okay. Confirm selection. Cancel. Navigate left. Navigate right. Oh, those are the standard keybinds. Security. This is important. All kit agents. Enable built-in. Oh yeah. So when I open Obsidian, it should ask me for my SSH key. Maybe, maybe not. Everything is up to date, no questions asked. Because I already have a theme in here, I want to disable that and see if the theme that I have here takes on Obsidian. Manage default. That's, oh wow, that looks Kanagawa-like, right? Those are the colors. I guess so. Wonderful. Okay, desktop capture. Wallpapers. Oh, there we can select them now. Can I just go through all the ones that I have? Because I want to use them all. There still is no wallpaper. Oh, this is the lock screen. Oops. I think OBS will still record on the lock screen. So let's just do this. Can you see me? Oh, there's the Game Boy. That's nice. And here we are. They look good. So battery warning threshold 20%. Fine. Sleep time. System monitor. Where's the system monitor? Oh wow. This is the system monitor. It looks pretty amazing. So the polling interval, I keep it as it is. I keep the temps as they are. That's fine. Services. Calendar. Do I not have brightness control? Okay, the main screen has it. The other ones don't. Let's test this. Cannot even click it, so let's not test it and continue on. I do not want my location in there. I want the weather. Weather effects as well. That's cool. Metric units, not fantasy units. But it doesn't have my location, of course. Well, that's fine. Nightlight. I like that. Shift, force nightlight. No, it doesn't have to. That's fine. Power. All good. Idle. Locking is fine. The other ones, I don't want them to. Maybe lock and suspend. I don't have any hooks for the wallpaper or the theme yet. Maybe at some point. Open the launcher when typing in Niri overview. So, is this the overview? And then I just type fire. Nothing is happening. Fine. Plugins. Oh, we have official ones. Oh, Bongo Cat. I need that. And community, there is nothing so nice, it seems. Or are they coming in? There's a translator now. There might be another thing that I could do. It would be fun to develop a nice plugin for here. I don't have a real use case yet for a plugin, but maybe I find something. I like the Docker plugin that we had, and I do not have it anymore. It's a little sad. Okay, bar default. Top is fine for me. I don't want to hide it. I want to reserve space. Thickness. Okay, that's a little too thick. But a little more would be nice. Oh, okay, that's fine. Content scale. That seems good. Yes, readable. What happens here? Let's make this a little smaller. Oh, it goes out. I would like it to be all the way. Edge margin. Let's go also to 0. And now content padding 0. Okay, it still has rounded corners for some reason. Corner radius. Gone. Now we need some padding. We shouldn't have put it on 0. And we have just a straight bar. The content is a little too big. Let's make it 115. Okay, now it's too cluttered. I want to remove some of those. Font weight. Give me bold. Widget spacing. Okay, I see it. A little, but not too much. Widget color default, yes. Now I can remove them. I keep the launcher. Oh, the wallpaper one looks so good. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Can I change the icon of the launcher? I don't like this. It doesn't matter. Workspaces, I do not want that. Oh, how it just immediately does things. It's wonderful. Media, no. What's the tray? Not needed. Notifications, I want that. Clipboard as well. Network, no. Bluetooth, no. Volume, I'll keep it. Battery, I theoretically do not need it as long as I can do this, or I can search for it here. I'll keep it. Let's see. The Bongo Cat, of course. And if I type, can I search here so we can see typing? Bongo Cat? Can you please? Oh, it's not so active. Do we have any actually useful ones there? I like the CPU thing. Oh, that's so cool. It looks so good. The color theme is perfect. Date, input volume, launcher, lock keys, media, network, nightlight, more networks. Maybe? Nah, it's too big. Or can I change it to just the icon, no text? Show label. Oh, that was easy. That was really easy. Workspaces, weather, taskbar, temperature. Oh, my CPU is running. No, I think I will actually put CPU and temperature should be beside each other. Nice. We have the network, and I saw RAM, I think. There it is. Is there something else useful? No. We have a lot of information here. Bongo cat and time and some other things. This still looks too cluttered for me. I think I'm moving at least the clipboard also in the middle above the clock so it's surrounded. Yeah, I guess that's it. Monitor override. Do not need that. That's already it. I have to say, it looks wonderful, especially this drop down. We haven't even seen all of it. So this is the home. Looks wonderful. What can I do here? Can I add some... Oh, that's just a wallpaper engine, I guess. It looks so good. So this would be audio. I'm just gonna play one of my videos so I do not have problems with the copyright. But you see the animations. If I skip forward here, does it skip in the YouTube video? Oh, that's crazy, it does. Wait, that's amazing. I could also just show you. So there's the video, we are at 3 minutes 40, almost 50. If we go to the audio tab and we skip, see in the background, it skipped. We are now at 8 minutes and 46. That is pretty cool, wow. Audio, basic audio, input, output. Do I have all my things here? That's wonderful. Output, same thing. Application volumes. Oh, I can set volumes per application. This is also cool. Brightness. I might have to fix that for the brightness for the other displays, but that's fine. This screen here is absolutely wonderful. The colors, not too much, but really sensible. I like it. The text is big enough for me. The network tab also looks pretty nice. Bluetooth with a few paired devices. The layout is wonderful. I think the sizes and everything is good. Maybe this weather app could be nice if I connect it to some space or if I enter it somewhere. I might have to think about using this calendar. I normally don't use calendars, but this one looks so good that I kind of want to use it. And the notification, here we see the test notification that I added. That's all from today. If we delete it, wow, no notification here. I am honestly pretty amazed by it. So a little thing, I removed all the themes that I already have, and I think this is now Kanagawa. It's a little more blue than I expected, but it's nice. And for NeoVim, I installed Kanagawa, but it still seems very, I don't know, very blue, very Tokyo Night-ish somehow. But let's take a look what I actually did. So I nixified the whole Noctalia setup. I made a Nix file here. And in here are all the settings from the TOML or JSON or whatever it was. Yeah, here you can see the bar, center and font weight, and everything else is just in here. I believe I have the complete settings that I just did now nixified. You can do this with an LLM locally or just write it by hand, whatever you want. It's pretty easy and also pretty stable actually, at least until now, the few hours that I tested and played around with it. What this can do is every machine that now uses your Nix config has directly configured Noctalia the way you want it, which seems pretty amazing to me. Also on the website version 5 alpha of Noctalia, you can see more information about how to install Noctalia on NixOS with the flake that they use. They also talk a little bit about the home manager modules that you can have, like I just did with the settings and the wallpaper and the paths and everything. How you can put that in there. I have no idea what an HM module is yet, but maybe I will find out. And just to finish this off, big shout out to the people from Noctalia. This is such an amazing project. This is what I feel like good open source projects are. It's just install minimal and it just works. It is so good. If you find the time, install it, play around it. Here on their website they also have a support link. Support the project. These things are what makes NixOS and all other open source projects so great. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.